Welcome everyone to another Soul Drives video, and welcome to the beautiful island of Mallorca here in Spain. I'm here with the Porsche 992 Turbo Cabriolet, 580 horsepower, 750 Newton meters of torque out of a 3.7 liter turbocharged flat 6. The power goes to all four wheels, and we also got rear wheel steer, which makes it a very competent car on these tight and twitchy mountain roads. The car was very kindly lent to me by Sportwagen Genssler, an exotic car dealer and rental car company here on the island. So if you're interested in driving these roads as well, check the link in the description. For now, I'm going to make my way across the island and into the mountains. Something very different from the typical, naturally aspirated Porsches that I drive on the channel, but it's actually not as quiet as I thought it would be, and it does have some pops and bangs. And the blow-off sound is insane. 2.8 seconds 0 to 60 through the sunny mountain landscape of Mallorca. Tunnel. Still a loud car. Oh man, look at that lake. The roads are just beautiful around here. The turbo is, super responsive, and although it's one of the biggest cars Porsche has ever produced, it does not feel like a huge car. With the rear wheel steer and the all-wheel drive system, there's really loads of grip. The car feels very nimble and twitchy around tight bends, which is exactly what we have right here. A lot of twisty roads, a lot of tight bends, and in about 12 minutes I will be at the Tramontana Mountains, which will be absolutely amazing. I was told it's one of the most beautiful roads on Mallorca, and we will be able to see a really nice sunset on top of the mountain. Now on to one of the most beautiful roads here in Mallorca. A lot of tight corners, and also a lot of cyclists around, so it will be a fun but very careful drive. But I mean, the scenery here is already so amazing. It's a turbo, it's an all-wheel drive, rear wheel steer monster, and it has a huge amount of grip. You'd actually have to go very fast to lose any traction in this car. road is already getting more and more empty. Not many cyclists around anymore. With a bit more time, I can see this road potentially being super empty, and that will be absolutely amazing. This has too much power for this road. It's just insane. This car just beams itself from hairpin to hairpin. A little bit of wheel spin there, but man, it's so fast. You got all kinds of different sounds. Turbo spools, blow-off sounds, exhaust noise, which sounds amazing against these rock walls. Down into first, hairpin. It still manages to spin all four wheels with its all-wheel drive system. It's so fast that it really settles in all the weight in the back when you go full on the throttle, and the front end becomes very light for just a moment of pure acceleration, and you really actually get some understeer there. Actually have the steering wheel slightly turned to the right still, but it just flies in a straight line out of the corner. It's insane. And up towards the next hairpin.